guys, back with another video, man. Guess what we're doing on a G37 today?
What are you doing, man?
Putting a lip on this mug. I don't even want to put this on there, but it's gonna be temporary. It's gonna be temporary. And so I could get a review of it, and I had it in my garage, so I might as well just use it, right?
Right.
So I'll put it on for like a couple months, maybe throughout the winter. I got some bolts for it too. Maybe I'll see that later, but I got some bolts for it. I don't know where I put them, but yeah, I got some bolts for it. Yeah, so you know, we're gonna get that cracking. Get that cracking, get that put on. I got my heat gun right here too. No, you feel me? You feel me? Got the heat gun. So that's gonna be a good time. I'm gonna heat this mug up and then put that mug up. Buddy. Alright, y'all, so we're about to get started, bro. I'm starting to take the 3M off. So I think you have to warm it up first to shape it a little bit more. So I'm gonna start right here, and I'm gonna go all the way around the thing. So y'all gonna see that. So I'm gonna just do that. Start taking it off. So I'm gonna do one part at a time. Like take that whole thing out. Take out that glue. Melt. Heat, and then stick. Oh, that motherfucker. Let's see. Leaf and shit somewhere. There it is. Like that shit flash. There we go. It's starting to work. We're gonna play with it a little bit. I'm about to curve it right here, so I'm about to curve it right here, so I'm gonna try to heat that up a little bit more, so I could stick on Brody, and then I'm just sliding with me now. Yes, sir.
Y'all see how it's forming.
All right.
Looking decent.
Start taking more off on Brody. Now it's starting to form. Stick on bro. How that bitch looks so hard.
Hey, no, it's looking decent though. I ain't gonna lie to you.
It's looking decent on Brody. Alright, we gonna keep going. It's looking decent. Gonna keep going. Oh shit. Other parts starting to come off.
So I guess we'll just holler back at y'all. And something else happened or somewhere when we done with it. So alright.
Look, he got wet. So, like, look at it. At the end, right at the end.
It's not sticking no more. You feel me? Like
Soggy.
trying to put it on there, that mug just keep coming
I got
off.
some mounting tape. So I'm gonna just cut these in half and I'm gonna put it at the end, I guess. See what it do. I guess I'm gonna show you the process after, but.
Alright, so you got the tape on there.
This is what is it called? What's it called? Tape. Mounting tape.
Mounting tape. Cause the glue on there is not sticking no more, so gotta use that, man.
Hopefully this works. And then we're gonna heat it up the same way and then just put it on. See what that does.
Alright, we'll show y'all the ending process.
Y'all, so this is how it looks. Y'all feel me? That lip is on there, yes sir it is. The block the thing. Boom. We got that Monte. Look from under it. That's how it looks. And it curved decently too. So like once you heat that mug, it just curves. And this is pretty thick too. Like look at this. This is pretty thick. So you see how it's so frozen. But once you put heat on it, it just starts to melt and then you could just curve it way better. But this mug curve around like so. I'm gonna show y'all one more time. Let me see if I can get a thumbnail. Right there, but that'd be a decent thumbnail. Yeah, that'd be a decent thumbnail. But yeah, that's how it look on Brody. So right now, let me show y'all the do your digs. Go in there like this. Oh shit, I just hit my head, bro. I'm on some nut shit. Alright. So I got these screws. I got these screws, so I think I'm gonna screw it like right here. One at the curve, right? Then I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, one at the curve, and then one right here. So I'll show you guys how that bolt is. Hopefully, did it look like I was recording it or not? I don't know if I was getting it, but I'm gonna go over it one more time just in case I didn't get it. All right, but you can record it. You can record it. Hopefully I got the first time. Right? I'm gonna go again. One, right here, at the curve. Okay. Then I'm gonna go up from the curve. Right here. The middle. Right here, and right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bolts, 7 screws or whatever.
Indeed.
So, yeah. Go right in the bumper, it's easy. Contraption to get under here because I realized the screwdriver was too long. I don't know where I put it, but it was too long, so I gotta screw it under right here. I'll probably show y'all after one screw. It's gonna be difficult. Tight. Gotta put a lot of pressure into it. So I'm trying to get to the bumper. I'll probably show you guys after it's done, but I just want to show you guys what I was doing basically.
Indeed. My boy then got it all screwed up in there. Let me see if I can get it. Wait, I can't even find it. There you go. You see, he got it screwed in there, so you can't tug on there. That motherfucker ain't going nowhere. Hey Joe, do you know what that motherfucker is? Yeah. It's chassis mounted. Nah.
Alright.
We
gonna holler at y'all when we all done. Yeah, we gonna holler at y'all.
Nah.
Y'all these bolts in.
So my boy just finished up bolting it all on and stuff, you know, the chassis mounted lip. Nah, but you see, you could tug on it all that. It ain't gonna come off, so it should be valid to drive it anywhere. You know him, he was driving 110 miles per hour, but hey, I ain't gonna speak on it. You know, if it wasn't mounted, that mug would fly right off. But
we doing dash everywhere I go. I ain't gonna hold you. We doing dash. We go crazy. On my way to work, 110, 120. Hey, I hope Top's not watching this because they got one up. Going crazy serving traffic.
Nah, we be in Mexico with it though. We ain't gonna lie. We be in Mexico.
That's why we do all this.
Yeah, but that mug, it came out way better than I thought it was, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
This nigga has no faith in me, bro. He don't have no faith in me, that's why. But this mug, it just made my stuff look more aggressive, though.
Way more aggressive.
I'm about to get that black one because it's not even gonna match. The carbon fiber is not gonna match because I think real carbon fiber is more like that, like my muffin.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was a surprise.
Yeah, that. Heat.
Yeah, I think real carbon fiber more like that. I'm pretty sure that's real carbon fiber. So.
Yeah, bro. I'm over here falling.
Hopefully. But yeah, we're gonna see after I get more carbon fiber pieces done to my car, which I definitely am. Definitely. I'm doing some carbon fiber wraps also though, so that's gonna be interesting. Instead of buying something else, you know, I can't give away too much.
Yeah.
You feel me, brother? I mean, I guess that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys learned how to do it. Basically, right now I'm about to go back through it with the heat gun and just make sure everything's stuck. I'm about to go back through it. But after that, I mean, it's really heating, putting it up, and then screwing it on, and then it should be kosher. You feel me? So yeah. So make sure. Actually, let's go to the guys, man. I'd rather just say everything like road the car thing. I don't even want to talk about it. You feel me?
No.
Everything right here. You feel me?
Yeah, you don't gotta say nothing.
Follow the channel. You feel me? Follow the channel, and then make sure y'all hold on. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel and follow the Instagram. I'm smoking.
Yeah, I was kind of confused too, but hey, that's him.
Follow the channel.
That's why I was like, yeah, subscribe. You feel me? But hey.
Yeah, but subscribe to the channel and then follow the gram. And y'all be in the loop on bro. But Rojo out.